Greeting viewers. Reasons to soak your feet in Epsom salt. Epsom salt, also known as magnesium sulfate, is a well-known substance that has been used for hundreds of years to ease hurting joints, cure skin ailments, and provide peace and relaxation to people all over the world. This chemical substance is composed of magnesium, sulfur, and oxygen, and while it resembles table salt in appearance, it is not as well known for internal use and does not include sodium chloride. Epsom salt, with its high magnesium level, is an ideal alternative for people looking to enhance their body's natural magnesium production. Epsom salt is most typically used in baths or foot soaks because it releases the beneficial magnesium when dissolved in hot water. Many proponents of this treatment say that hot baths allow magnesium to be absorbed via the skin. However, there is insufficient evidence to back up these claims. However, more study is being done on the advantages and science of Epsom salt soaks, and they are becoming more popular in mainstream circles. Let's look at the 8 benefits of using Epsom salt in your foot soak. 1. Get rid of stress. Epsom salt helps to reduce stress by relaxing muscles and reducing inflammation. This stress relief permeates throughout your body and puts you in a better frame of mind, helping you to think more clearly. 2. Remedy fungal infections and ingrown toenails. Epsom salts are believed to pull out illness and assist make the skin less vulnerable to subsequent difficulties while relaxing the skin to make medicine more effective rather than directly treating the infection. 3. Exfoliate cracked, dry heels. Many people do not treat their feet with the respect they deserve. If you live in a dry climate or suffer from painful cracked heels in the winter due to overdrying, Epsom salts are an excellent exfoliant to use. To get the most out of an Epsom salt bath, combine it with foot scraping and further moisturization. If you wear sandals regularly, you may need to switch to closed-toed shoes and socks for a period to allow your feet to heal. 4. Supports healthy sleep. Magnesium has been found in studies to promote deep sleep by generating melatonin. Soaking your feet in a warm water bath allows you to relax, unwind, and clear your thoughts after a long day, making it more possible for you to fall asleep faster and sleep deeper. 5. Eliminate pain. If your profession requires you to spend a lot of time on your feet, especially in high heels, your feet are unlikely to be pleased with you. Soaking your aching feet with Epsom salts can help to reduce inflammation, eliminate toxins, and relieve muscular cramps. 6. Eliminates odorous feet. Any type of foot soak can clean and deodorize your feet. When it comes to sweaty feet, good cleanliness goes a long way toward eradicating the stink. Make sure your shoes are clean and dry and look for footwear that breathes to let moisture escape. 7. Eases splinter removal. Stubborn splinters can be extremely painful and cause swelling around the afflicted region. Soaking feet in warm water with Epsom salt softens the skin and draws pus out, loosening the splinter and making removal simpler. Splinters in the hands or fingers can also be treated using this procedure. 8. Reduce inflammation. While some proponents believe that soaking in Epsom salts cleanses toxins from the body, there is no good evidence to back this up. The absorption of magnesium through the skin, on the other hand, may increase magnesium levels in the body and reduce inflammation. Reduced inflammation may help relieve pain and stiffness associated with arthritis and gout. So, how do you prepare a foot soak using Epsom salts? Fill a small container with hot water and half a cup of Epsom salt, large enough to suit both your feet up to your ankles. Allow the Epsom salt to dissolve for a few minutes before checking the temperature of the water with your finger to make sure it won't burn your feet. Soak overworked feet in Epsom salts for 30 to 45 minutes and relax. Relax and ease your thoughts by reading a book, listening to music, meditating, or doing anything else. To get even more advantages, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to the soak. Lavender essential oil promotes relaxation, focus, and a restful night's sleep. When taken immediately before bed, this is the most beneficial. Peppermint essential oil promotes alertness, digestion, and headache relief. Eucalyptus essential oil boosts mental abilities while also enhancing the antibacterial properties of Epsom salt. Citrus essential oil improves your mood and helps you get rid of germs. Tea tree essential oil reduces inflammation and soothes redness. Antifungal, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties of lemongrass essential oil. After you've finished soaking your feet, gently spread a handful of Epsom salts over your heels and hard portions of your foot for more exfoliation. To improve moisturization, rinse feet with cool water and thoroughly dry them, then apply lotion and socks. To observe benefits, repeat this method at least twice a week. Avoid using it on a regular basis since it might dry out your feet and encourage cracking. Epsom salt soaks might be a safe home alternative to medicine for mild aches and pains. However, before taking this cure to treat infections or other health concerns, talk to your doctor about your choices. Before using Epsom salt, those with diabetes, renal illness, heart difficulties, or who are pregnant should see their doctor. While there have been some positive results from using Epsom salt as a therapeutic agent, further research is needed to determine how and where it works. If your situation doesn't improve, make an appointment with your doctor to discuss the best course of action. Epsom salt soaks are a common home remedy for treating foot problems. I hope you enjoyed seeing this video. Let us know in the comments section below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more secrets and tips, subscribe to the channel. There are 2 more videos you should see, both of them will undoubtedly assist you to achieve your goals. See you in our next video.